About to run your very first Facebook or Instagram ad? Well, the one thing you need to do is to make sure your Facebook pixel is in the right spot on your WordPress site. Hi, I'm Claire Pelletreau, a Facebook ads expert, and in this super short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install your Facebook pixel on your WordPress website. And I'm also going to show you the one place that most people don't think of where your pixel needs to go until it's too late, your ads are going, and you're running out of money. Here we are inside the Ads Manager. Now, if your screen looks a little different, do not panic. It's totally normal. What you want to look for is this hamburger menu at the top of the screen. Yours might be a bunch of dots, but we're going to click here next to Ads Manager. Come down to All Tools, and then underneath Measure and Report, you should find Events Manager and Pixels. If you don't see Pixels, just click on Events Manager. But I'm going to click there on Pixels. And then it's going to take me to the screen that has a couple different options. I'll just let that load. But for now, I'll show you this says data sources. Then there's going to be custom conversions and partner integrations. We right now are worried about data sources. Now, if you don't see a pixel right here, then you might have to create your pixel, and there should be a button around here that says create. And you're really just going to give it a name, and there's not much else to it. Once it's created, I want you to click on the name of the pixel, and you can give it any name, really. You can also change the name. And I want you to come up here, look for something that says Setup. Go to Install Pixel, and then you're going to manually add pixel code to website. This is what they call the base code. And when I say the Facebook pixel, I'm talking about the base code. So I want you to copy it and now open up a text edit or a notes doc or Word, anything that you can save and give it a name and come back to. I want you to save your base code, your Facebook pixel, somewhere on your computer where you can find it easily and you don't have to come back into the Ads Manager to do it. I always just put it in a text edit doc and I name it Claire Pelletreau Pixel, just like this. Now that you've got your pixels saved somewhere you can easily access, I want you to come over into the back end of your WordPress. Now, right now you can see the back end of mine where I have installed a plugin called Header and Footer Scripts. It's free and it's what I recommend to all of my students who are using WordPress. So you just install this plugin, activate it, and then you're going to come up here and actually paste your code in the scripts in header box, okay? Nothing else goes under this code from Facebook. If you need to put other codes for Google Analytics or Deadline Funnel or whatever, that's fine. But do not paste anything else from the Ads Manager in this box, okay? Hit save and you're done. But a cool way to check to make sure that your pixel is in the right place is by using the Chrome Pixel Helper. That is an extension you can install into Chrome, and then when you go to your site, you can see the pixel is activated. Check this out. So this is the homepage of my site, and I've installed the Chrome Pixel Helper. So you click on that and it'll say one pixel found on clairepels.com, and it's just the page view, which is exactly what I want. Nothing else on my homepage. And this page view is just installed automatically when you put the pixel in the header of your site. And now for every page I go to, I can see that this pixel is still just firing. You can ignore these like little lightning bolt things, but they're still just firing the page view. Now, these are called standard events, those little green things that are triggering. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set up standard events in another video. But for now, you should not worry about them because standard events do not go on every page of your site or you're going to screw your tracking. But so I love this pixel. You can see all the pixels on all the different sites on the internet just by installing this. Now, I promised you I would tell you about the one place where you might not have thought that the pixel does need to go, and that is if you are using some kind of page builder to create your opt-in pages or your sales pages or whatever. That might be something you use inside of WordPress like Divi, or it might be Leadpages or Instapage. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, this is a page that I have built on Instapage, and that's just a third-party page builder software. It is the sign-up page for my masterclass on the 5 ads that I recommend that course creators use. It's a great class. You can grab the link right below if you want to sign up. It's totally free and you can watch whenever. So you can see here that I've got the pixel on this page, but I had to install it manually. So whenever you create a page like this, anything using kind of a different tool from WordPress, you need to go use this pixel helper and make sure that it is tracking. It is firing the pixel. If not, you need to go and install it manually. And there are always instructions with these tools about how to install the Facebook pixel. So I recommend you Google or search here on YouTube, Facebook pixel Leadpages, Facebook pixel Divi, whatever, you'll find instructions for sure. But that is an extra step. You place the pixel on the header of your WordPress site one time, and it goes on all of the pages on your WordPress site, but not on these extra page builders, even if you used, something that lets you publish it through WordPress. Okay, now I want you to watch the next video, which is all about setting up those standard events that I mentioned earlier, because this is where people mess up big time. They get the standard events on the wrong page, and Facebook has no idea how to find you the right people. Cool? So click there, and don't forget to subscribe to this page or follow if you enjoy videos like these and you want to get the latest tips and tricks and strategies to actually make money from your ads. Thank you so much for watching.